If you've been thinking about how to take out your crochet braids without cutting the crochet hair, this video is for you. Today I'll be doing a video on how to take down these feathered crochet braids safely without damaging your natural hair or cutting the thread on the feathered hair. And if you're new here, I'm Irene's Braids, and I teach professionals how to create long-lasting styles and to grow their braiding skills. So I'm carefully making sure to spray through her roots and along the crochet braids, that way that we can detangle the braids before removing them. You want to carefully make sure that you spray the entire head with water and conditioner in your mist bottle. Make sure you put more than enough water and conditioner in the bottle and spray gently. We're going to start brushing gently as well because we want to make sure that there are no knots or any tangles before removing these crochet braids. So I know some of you may ask what hair was used. This hair is called Burmese Spiraled Curly Ends 20-inch crochet feathered hair. This hair did not come like this. She box colored this herself and it turned out great. So as you can see, I'm spraying through her roots very good. I'm making sure to brush through very good, and I'm making sure to get any knots and tangles out. So now we're getting to my favorite part, you guys. So I'm going to use this edge brush to gently lift and remove each threaded piece. Now keep in mind, you guys, I only loop this threaded piece in one time. And why I do that is because it makes the removal process much more easier. The goal is to keep this hair and not have to cut it. And so therefore, by me doing it that way, allowed us not to have to cut this thread. And look at the thread, you guys. It's fine. It's reusable. And now we're going to take this feathered hair. We're going to add it on a flexi rod. So that way, during the wash and conditioning process, it allows the crochet pieces to stay together and not move while you're trying to clean the hair. So now that we have all the crochet pieces removed, I'm curious to know, what was your experience when doing this install or wearing crochet braids? Because I'm getting a lot of feedback on TikTok, on Instagram, and I'm seeing other content creators remove their crochet braids, and I'm seeing posts about hair loss and shedding. And as I removed her braids, I did not experience it. Now, I know that can differ between different hair textures and hair types where you may lose some, and also by the way it's installed. But because these were installed professionally and taken down professionally, I'm curious to know what was your experience when wearing these crochet braids. And also, one of the things that I can say about this curl texture, this again is the Burmese curly spiral ends. This Burmese requires a lot of hydration. And I do mean a lot because even though we mist it down for the removal process, this hair dried up that water and conditioner fast. So if you have any recommendations on what to put on this hair, please do share because I'm sure myself and other people who are watching this video would love to know what it is that you're doing to upkeep this style and make sure the curls stay juicy. Now, I will be honest, I do like the dry look because I feel like it mimics her natural hair best, and that's why she purchased the Burmese curly spiral ends. But she also likes it wet too, and she felt like having the hair wet, it will dry out very fast. And we don't know if it's because she colored it or if it's just the way the hair is. So definitely do tell, share the deets. And just like that, you guys, we have completed the tutorial. So the takedown is done. And remember why this process was smooth is because I knotted it one time, each thread, and I made sure to keep the hair moist and moisturized as I took down her braids. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. Please drop some comments in the comment section to let us know what was your experience wearing this style. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.